Hey, have you ever heard of Hopin? Hopin is the #1 tool that lets you fully realize your events virtually and make them interactive and personal. Your viewers can participate worldwide, no matter if they do it from their workplace or remotely via their mobile devices such as laptops, tablets, or even mobile phones. You can create different ticket types which restrict the user access in your online event, leading into a huge enhancement in your participants' user experience. Hidden tickets allow you to create private communication rooms to meet journalists or business partners, just like in real life. The reception gives you a quick overview of the event. You will have direct access to the meetings that are live at the moment and see a description of the event, its sponsors, and a schedule that informs you about the upcoming streams. Use the main stage to present your new and unique products to your audience. Share information, images, or videos worldwide. The backstage area allows you to go live on stage and discuss your topics with up to 6 speakers at the same time. Unlimited session rooms make it possible to get in touch personally and exchange information with your audience afterwards or during the event. Move your viewers directly into private sessions to answer questions specifically. Interact with your audience through presentations and camera images. You have many possibilities to present yourself and your products to your viewers and business partners. The networking area allows participants of the event to exchange information with each other. Meet peer-to-peer with another participant to talk to each other and exchange contact details. Lead generating has never been that easy. The expo offers the possibility to meet a variety of partners who are participating in the event. The exhibitor can do a live presentation just like a session, or simply implement a pre-produced YouTube video. Exchange your contact details so that they can get in touch with you afterwards, or go on their website and check for special event offers. Using the chat tool, every participant of the event can communicate with others via messages, both in the main event and in specifically divided areas. In addition, you can create polls to get instant feedback from your audience on your event, a product, or a presentation. Of course, Hopin includes a direct messaging function, which includes messages but also video chats. Do you want to see from which countries your viewers come or on which devices they've hopped in? No problem. The event summary gives you an overview of all the information you need to make your event even better. It summarizes relevant key facts like the number of tickets you've sold, total accesses per day, the origin of your viewers, the browser they've used, and much more. Hopin also lets you present your sponsors, sort them by importance, or highlight a main sponsor. As you can see, Hopin is a powerful tool for online events. When are you gonna hop in?